Today we will discuss about the nth derivative of trigonometrical functions. In trigonometrical functions, we take as sine ax plus b and cos ax plus b. Okay, so y is equal to sine ax plus b. So we differentiate one with respect to x. So when we differentiate one with respect to x, we write down as dy upon dx. This can be written as y1. y1 is equal to cos ax plus b. So differentiation of sine x is cos x, cos ax plus b into differentiation. We can write down as differentiation of ax plus b. So this can be written as y1. y1 is equal to cos ax plus b into the differentiation of ax plus b means differentiation of x is 1, coefficient is a, so we write down as a. So this can be written as y1. y1 is equal to a cos ax plus b. Okay, so when we write down this cos ax plus b in terms of sine, so how to write this as? So we write down this as y1 is equal to a into sine pi by 2 plus ax plus b. So sine pi by 2 plus ax, sine 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta. So okay, so here we write down as sine 90 plus theta. So this gives us the cos theta. So you know about the quadrants, so all silver teacup. So, so sine 90 plus theta cos theta. So this is our equation number 2. So we do the differentiation again. So again differentiate 2 with respect to x. So the differentiation of y1 we denote as y2. So we write down a into cos pi by 2 plus ax plus b into, so differentiation means d over dx of pi by 2 plus ax plus b. So when we do the differentiation of pi by 2 is constant, b is constant. So you can write down as pi by 2 plus ax plus b into a. So this can be written as a into a square into cos pi by 2 plus ax plus b. So this is our y2. So again, we write this cos into form of the sine. So you can write down this as a square into sine pi by 2 plus. So this complete term we can write down as theta. So this can be written as pi by 2 plus ax plus b. So you can write down this as a square into sine. So pi by 2 plus pi by 2, you can write down as 2 pi by 2. 2 pi by 2 plus ax plus b. So this is our equation number 2. So that means we write down as equation number 3. So y2. So again, we differentiate this one. So again, differentiate 3 with respect to x. So we write down this y3. y3 is equal to a square into differentiation of sine. We write down as cos. So cos 2 pi upon 2 plus ax plus b into differentiation of 2 pi upon 2 plus ax plus b. So we write down this as y3. y3 is equal to a square into cos, so 2 pi upon 2 plus ax plus b into differentiation of this gives us a, because pi is constant and b is constant. So differentiation of ax with respect to x is a. So we write down this as y3 is equal to aq into cos. So 2 pi upon 2 plus ax plus b. So this is in the form of cos. So when we write down this into the form of y sine, so we write down this y3. y3 is equal to aq into sine. aq into sine pi by 2 plus, so 2 pi by 2 plus ax plus b. So this can be written as aq into sine 3 pi by 2. So 3 pi by 2 plus ax plus b. So this is our equation number 4. So this is our equation number 4. Now, we see that by using the equation number 2, 3, and 4. So you can see that. So that means this is our equation number 2. So in equation number 2, when we differentiate one time. So when we differentiate one time, so here we see that the coefficient of pi is 1 and the power of a is also 1. So power is of a is also 1. So you can see that. So this means the power of a is 1 and the coefficient is also 1. When we differentiate two times, so when we differentiate two times, so we see that. So that means here the differentiation of two times. So the power is of a is 2 and the coefficient of pi is 2. Okay. And when we differentiate three times, so when we differentiate this three times, so we see that the derivative of 3 times. So the power of a is 3 and the coefficient of pi is 3. So similarly, on the basis of this, you can write down the general term, that means nth term of this. So what is the nth term of this? So similarly, we do the fourth term. We can write down the fourth term also. So you can write down the fourth term in this form: sine 4 pi upon 2 plus ax plus b. This is our fourth derivative. Then fifth derivative, sixth derivative, and write down the nth derivative. So write down the nth derivative. So nth derivative of this we can write down as yn. Yn is equal to, so a raised to the power n into sine, or this can be written as n pi by 2. N pi by 2 plus ax plus b. Okay, so this is the nth derivative, or we can write down this as dn, nth derivative of sine ax plus b. So dn, nth derivative of sine ax plus b, this can be a raised to the power n into sine n pi by 2 plus ax plus b. So this is our nth derivative formula. So you have to remember this formula. On the basis of this formula, you can calculate or you can solve the problems related to sine x. That means we have to calculate the nth derivative of sine x. That means you can solve the questions related to the note down as find the nth derivative. Nth derivative of sine 4x plus 5. So here just we compare with the general term. So our general term is, so the general term is sine ax plus b. So here we see that a is equal to 4, the coefficient of x, and b is equal to 5. So we write down the nth derivative means dn. Directly we use the formula. So sine 4x plus 5. So this is equal to 4 raised to the power n into sine n pi by 2 plus 4x plus 5. So this is our answer. So thank you.